Welcome to Chelsea Parkplace, Megaworld's first condominium in the north, now ready for occupancy. Located in the heart of Capital Town San Fernando, Pampanga, Chelsea Parkplace brings a refined live-work-play lifestyle to central Luzon. Inspired by the brownstone townhouses of New York's Upper West Side, Chelsea Parkplace features a classic, elegant facade. Its design reflects the charm of Chelsea, New York, a neighborhood known for its culture, diversity, and artistic spirit. Strategically located along Capitol Boulevard in the 35-hectare Capital Town Township, this condo is more than just a home. It steps away from commercial spaces, shopping centers, parks, and cultural hubs, offering city conveniences in a peaceful, master-planned community. Now offering ready-for-occupancy units, you can move in immediately. Choose from studio units, around 29 square meters, one-bedroom units, 41 to 43 square meters, two-bedroom units, 67 to 86 square meters, or loft-style penthouse units. Step into your new home with spacious layouts, high ceilings, and that New York-inspired ambience. At Chelsea Parkplace, lifestyle extends beyond your unit. Enjoy a pool deck, a fully equipped fitness center, a cozy function room, a daycare for families, and even a hidden speakeasy bar, a unique feature of this vertical community. From your balcony, take in stunning views of Mount Arayat, the skyline of San Fernando, and even glimpses of Manila Bay, a constant reminder that you're living in a place with character, comfort, and promise. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of this master-planned township. Contact us today and make Chelsea Parkplace your new home.